Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Carousel slider to your Shopify store. Even if you are a complete beginner and have never added a slider or played with the code before, don't worry, I will explain everything step by step so you can follow along easily. By the end of this video, your Shopify store will have a beautiful image slider or product Carousel ready to impress your customer. Let's get started. So first thing first, if you don't know what is a carousel slider, it is basically is a scrolling section that lets you to display multiple images and a product in a rotating slider. It is super useful for showcasing new arrivals, top product, or customer review in a very clean and professional way. But Shopify doesn't offer a built-in cursor editor, but we have got the solution, so you can use that too. Now first thing first, what you have to do is simply log in into your Shopify account with your email address. Just simply click on the login, and your connect needs to be verified before you can proceed. Just simply verify and then wait for a few seconds and choose your account. I have already account in my Shopify, so I don't need to create it one. So what I have to do, just simply in the left side you will get to see this sales and channel and online store. Just simply click over here. Now in the theme page you will get to see your website or theme. Just simply click on the customize option. It will take you to Shopify's editor, where you can add things like you can basically customize your website. Now in the ad section you will get to see this slideshow, but this is not that perfect what we want, but this is a basic slideshow. You can rotate slides, for example this. You can give height, definition, layout, pages, for example this. And this is not that good, I think. And they have lots of settings. You can choose colors as well. So this is kind of slide, so we don't need that slide. So what you have to do is just simply go into search for LSF site. Just simply search for L site, and this is basically a website where just to grow your business, and you will get 200 plus 2 lakh, oh, okay, 2 million plus website owner to increase sales. Like, they have lots of widgets, lots of collected leads, and yeah, just simply log in with your email and then click on the widgets. So in the widget you will get to see this. In the toolbar you will get to see logo showcase. Just simply click on that. It will take you to this page, and click on the create widget for free and edit. Now just simply edit, click on the edit widgets. So this is a basic Carousel slider. So what I am talking about this one. Now continue with this template. Now if you want to add logo, you can add logo as well. Just simply click on the add logo button and browse file, and you can add your logo. Now upload your logo in the logos file. Wait for a few seconds, and boom, your logo has been uploaded. This is like if you want to add more logos, you can add that too. So you can add more logos. If you just simply add more and browse file and black one, and upload your logo as well. And as you can see here, just simply click on the done. You can add many logos. You can add your product detail as well. If you want to go into header, if you want to give a header, you can give that too. So you can, in the header you can give a title, my logos, and if you want to give a caption, this is my logo, so you can give that too. If you want to add boldness to your caption, you can add a caption boldness by just clicking on the B option and click on the back, And call to action button, just simply, if you want to add call to action button, just simply click on the showcase button. And as you can see, we got the contact us button. If you want to change the text, you can change as well. Just simply click on the contact us, remove this, remove this, or buy now. You can add link as well. If you want to add icons, you can add that too. Now let's go back, and if you go into layouts, you can choose carousel as this one or this one or this one. If you want grid type of carousel layout, you can do that, but I will suggest you to just simply go into ticker. If you want to customize a ticker, if you want to customize transition settings, what you have to do is just simply click on the ticker settings, and you can increase the speed of this transition. And if you want to pause on hover, for example, this effect, if you want to give, you can give that too. Now click on the back, and if you want to customize the size of your images, what you have to do is just simply scroll down a little bit in the layout and increase the logo size. As you can see here, we have successfully increased the size. And if you want to give spacing between logos, you can give that too. So I think this is a perfect. Now if you want to give a random order, you can give that too. This is like a random order, but right now I don't need to give random orders. That's the thing. And now go into slide styles. You can choose fonts as well in the font section. Just choose this one, so it will change my title and the description as well. Now in the background, if you want to give a horizontal padding, just increase it. It's like a background. You can give a vertical padding and horizontal. If you want to give a padding, I don't think so you need to give a padding over here. Now if you want to go in the logo section, you can add a logo background color over here. Just simply add. And if you want to add logo background color into logo section, you can add that too. Now what I will choose, I will simply choose the transparent. Now if you go into grayscale, you can logos color scheme. So I don't want to add color into background of my logo. Let's go into header, and over here you can see, you can give the color of title, caption and link color as well. If you want to increase the size of the font, you can increase that too. And if you want to give the caption size, uh, okay, you can give that too. And click on the back, and if you want to customize your button, you can customize that too. Just simply click on the button. If you want to fill, or just you want outline button, just simply, if you want outline button, you have to click on the outline. If you want fill button, you can just simply click on the fill. Now if you want to change the button color from this, you can change from this bottom color section. And button text color and corner radius, I will choose round one, so it will change the roundness of the button. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will get to see button size. Like you can choose small, large, and then if you want more, if you want to customize, you can customize as well. If you want to increase the size of font size of your this buy now text, you can increase that too. So yeah, this is how you can customize your browser layout, and just simply click add to website for free. Now it will give you this option, like, so just simply click on the publish button in the top right corner. Now I will choose select for free, so you will get the link of that cursor slider. Don't click on the share link or request installation. Just simply click the copy code and go back to your store. Now over here, what you have to do, just simply add. Click on the okay. Changes you made may not be saved. Cancel. Click on the add and okay, cancel. Click on the now. Click on the add section and the hack is going. Let me refresh this. Let me refresh and give a few seconds, as you can see here, and click on the add section, and in scroll down a little bit, you will get to see this custom liquid thing. Just click over there, and over here you can add your, or you can just simply paste your link. So I have successfully pasted and we got our slider. So this is free logo showcase widget. If you want more changes, you can give changes more. Now, so if you want to make changes, you can make, and after adding, you can just simply click on the save. It will save. So this is how you can add a carousel slider into your Shopify. And if this video found helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.